Good morning, students. In today's class, we will learn to make koala by the paper folding. Okay, for that you need square shaped paper. You can use colorful paper also, and you can use the white paper also. White paper you will get from your drawing notebook. Okay, but one thing it is there that you have to take the square shape paper. Square shape paper, it means all the side of that paper should be equal. Okay, so let's start with our activity.